Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Augmented reality blends virtual 3D content into the real world at 60 FPS. This creates believable overlays that respond to real motion and light. Tracking requires sensor fusion of camera, IMU, and depth data within 50 ms for stable alignment. Spatial mapping builds a 3D mesh of the environment in real time. Anchors lock virtual objects to real surfaces and persist across sessions. Be mindful of occlusion and lighting to preserve depth cues and visual realism. Start by prototyping with a game engine like Unity or Unreal using a 16:9 viewport. Import optimized 3D assets and keep each model under 500 KB for mobile performance and memory. Implement tracking with AR SDKs such as ARCore, ARKit, or WebXR for cross-platform support. Use anchors and scene persistence to save state between sessions. Iterate quickly with remote device testing and log frame rate, latency, and thermal metrics. Test at 30 to 60 minutes per session on target devices to evaluate comfort. Optimize for stable 60 frames per second or a graceful fallback to 30 frames per second on weaker devices. Reduce complex shaders and minimize draw calls by batching geometry to lower GPU load by 25%. Compress textures and use level of detail to reduce memory footprint and CPU work. Monitor battery drain and aim for less than 15% per hour on typical phones. Measure end-to-end latency and target under 50 milliseconds for responsive interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.